Good afternoon, friends. I am Dayanand Nene from Sahakar Sutra, and you are my curious, inquisitive, and attentive viewers. Friends, in this segment, we shall be talking about the important dates which no cooperative society or the managing committee of any cooperative society should ever forget. Friends, all of you are aware that every society has to get its accounts audited every year through a statutory auditor. The statutory auditor has to be a person who is notified in the government panel, and the society has to choose one of the auditors from the panel to get their accounts audited. At the end of the financial year on 31st of March, the Society Managing Committee should initiate steps to prepare and finalize their accounts, and by 15th of May every year, these accounts have to be finalized and approved in a Managing Committee meeting by the Society. By 1st of June, these approved, finalized accounts should be handed over by the Managing Committee to the statutory auditor for starting his audit. The statutory auditor then has time from 1st of June till 31st of July to complete his statutory audit. After completing his statutory audit, this audit report has to be uploaded to the registrar's office. The last date for uploading this auditor's report is 15th of September. It is mandatory for every society, as per the bylaws, to hold their annual general meeting before the 30th of September every year. If the society management does not hold the meeting by 30th of September, it is considered as a major default on part of the society. It is also mandatory on the part of the society to submit their annual report and the secretary's report to the registrar's office. It has to be uploaded by the 30th of September. Then, in the AGM, the society management has to finalize the appointment of statutory auditors for the next year. This again is mandatory, that if the auditor is not appointed in the AGM by the society and notified to the within a month to the registrar's office, then the registrar steps in and appoints a person of his choice. The annual report has to be uploaded before 31st of October. So also the audit rectification report of the society has to be uploaded within a month of holding the AGM or 31st of October, whichever comes earlier. By 31st of October, the auditor then generates an online order confirming his appointment as an auditor of the society. That also has to be generated by the 31st of October. Again, if it is not generated, the registrar steps in and makes his choice, makes an auditor of his choice appointed on that particular society. It is mandatory for every society to file the audit rectification report within 3 months of holding the AGM. It is a statutory requirement which every society has to adhere to. Friends, like the 10 commandments, these are the 10 commandments or the 10 important dates which every society management should never forget. So, I hope you have noted. I am giving these dates on a slide post this interview for you and for your records. Thank you.